If you are tired of stepping on stray toys or looking for a way to finally organize the chaos in your home, you are probably already familiar with the IKEA TROFAST system. Today we're focusing on one of their most popular units, the large white frame, article number 100.914.53. This specific model is a staple for playrooms and kids' bedrooms because of its versatility. It stands 94 cm tall and 99 cm wide, making it the perfect height for children to reach their own toys while still providing a massive amount of storage space. What makes this frame special is the modular design. It's built with several sets of grooves, allowing you to slide in any combination of TROFAST bins, small, medium, or large, or even wooden shelves if you want to use it for books. It's made of a durable, easy to clean, foil-wrapped particle board, so it holds up well against everyday wear and tear. Just a quick safety tip before we start: because of its size and the weight, it can hold once filled with bins. IKEA designed this to be anchored to the wall, and they include the hardware to do it. It's one of the most functional pieces of furniture IKEA makes. Now that we know why this unit is a must-have for organization, let's get into the assembly and see how it all goes together.